Hello there all, this is Skip from Skip's Messy Workbench, and although in the last video I had said that I was going to take a little break from the DeLorean, well, I'm back. Not from the future. If anything, I'd like to go to the past. Anyway, I am now nerve-wracking, but I have masked off the body for the flat black portions, so all of this down here gets flat black. The molding along these edges get flat black. The vents, the back bumper, which is in primer black right now, along with some of the sides here and these little side vents. The cabling gets in flat black. So I spent about, I don't know, a total of probably 3, maybe 4 hours, maybe a little longer than that, I don't know, because it was over 2 days, masking this body off. I'm sure I made the people who make Tamiya masking tape happy. As you can see, I used quite a bit, and I hope I got it all pressed down so I don't get a lot of bleed through. I'm already seeing some spots that I need to go back over, and all I did, I mean, between my fingernail and a blunt handle of the tweezer and one of these pointy swabs, actually I'll get a new one here, one of these pointy swabs, that's what I did along it. Some of these gaps that you see, or that you might see, is because there's more than one layer of tape there. There's an overlap. So I am ready to put the flat black on this guy and see how much bleed through I get. If you're a believer, pray for me, and hopefully I won't have a whole lot of touch-up to do after I get that on. So I will be doing that, and when I get the tape off, I will be back with it. So, you know, it's amazing how you see things on camera that you don't see with your naked eye. At least I didn't, but I see a spot right there where I got to fix. So anyway, that's where I'm at with the DeLorean. I'm only doing one at a time, this body, just to see how this works out. And wish me luck. Pray for me. All right. And I will see you shortly. Okay, I'm back, and it's only been a couple of minutes actually. I decided to do the painting today anyway. I wasn't going to, but anyway, I'm hand holding my camera, and I'm also using the internal microphone if the sound sounds differently. But I put some flat black on it. You can see that I've got everything covered. I'm not going to peel the tape off yet. I'm going to let this set for a couple of hours before I do anything with taking the tape off of it. And we'll see how it gets. So, you know, hang in there with me, and I'll be back. Well, for me, it'll be a couple of hours. For you, it'll be a couple of seconds. Hang in there. I'll be right back. Hi all, and I'm back, and it's been almost a full day for me. You can see that, and I'm hand holding the camera again, and I'm also using the built-in microphone on the camera, but you can see I've gotten the tape off the DeLorean on the body, and it actually got done fairly nicely. I had very, very little bleed through. I had to touch up a few little spots here and there, but for the most part, I was happy. Now I still got some detailing to do, like on the wire harnesses. There's a little bit of white, just some touches of white for doing the tie wraps, and there's a lot more to be done on the car. But it's all little tiny things now. Actually, now that I'm watching the video, or not watching it, but making it, the areas, the areas around the license plate need to be flat black yet, according to the instructions. Those little rectangular square type things around the license plate, they need to be flat black. That's not going to be an issue. I'll get that done after I shoot this. I did have fupa, in which case I think you could see it on here, the different shade of silver down on the quarter panel in the back. Yeah, it's because it's wet yet maybe, but I had forgot to mask that off. and because I forgot to mask it off, I then had to mask it again and reshoot the silver on it, or the aluminum, I should say, on it. And so that's the area I'm looking at there. So anyway, other than that, though, I think it came out really nice, as far as, you know, the massive amount of masking that I had to do on it. I also then had the tub sitting on the chassis. It's not glued there yet. So like I said, I'm making headway and progress on this thing. So I'm hoping to have this, at least one of these, finished really, really soon. All right. Again, I said I was going to take a break, but I just couldn't. I had to see where this was going to head. All right, so thanks again, and I will see you all in the next video. Thanks a lot. Thumbs up, and I will see you later. Bye. I want to thank you all for watching, and if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, you can give it a thumbs down, but you know, I would prefer a thumbs up. And do me a favor, if you really liked it, smack that subscribe button. And if you want to be notified when I release new videos, give that bell a ring and set it to all. I don't release a lot of videos, so I won't be bugging you that much. Anyway, thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.